Hello friends, in previous lecture we learned Tn, Sn and arithmetic mean. So in this lecture we will cover in this example. So first example we have to find T13. We already know Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 4 and d equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore T13 equal to A is 4 plus 13 minus 1 into D. D is 6 equal to 4 plus 12 into 6. 4 plus 72. So 76. Therefore T13 equal to 76. B. S13 equal to how much? S13 equal to how much? We know Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore S13 equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into what is a? A is 4 and d is 6. 4 plus 13 minus 1 into 6 equal to 13 by 2, 8 plus 12 into 6. 13 by 2 into 80. 40. So 13 into 40, 520. Therefore S13 equal to 520. Now we try third sum. Arithmetic mean of first 13 terms. See, arithmetic mean in AP formula is a plus b by 2. Here a is first term and b is last term. We know a is equal to, what is the a? A is equal to 4. B equal to last term. But here they asked question about 13th terms. So already know T13 is equal to 76. Therefore B equal to T13 equal to 76. Therefore AM equal to 4 plus 76 by 2 equal to 40. Therefore AM of first 13 terms in this series equal to 40. Yeah, thank you. In next lecture we will learn some different type of examples. Thank you. I will give one problem. Let's try and please comment. A equal to T15, B equal to S21, C. Arithmetic mean of first 15 terms. Please comment.